Imagine holding a device so small it disappears into the palm of your hand, yet so unbelievably stable and powerful that it actively threatens traditional Hollywood camera rigs. For years, content creators, filmmakers, and vloggers were forced to accept a frustrating, heavy compromise. If you wanted cinematic, buttery smooth video that looked like a big-budget production, you had to carry a massive camera, mount it onto a heavy mechanical gimbal, balance it meticulously, and haul a backpack full of batteries and accessories. If you wanted something pocketable and instant, you had to rely on your smartphone, which meant dealing with shaky footage, poor low-light performance, and a battery that died the moment you pushed it hard. We accepted this trade-off because we thought the laws of physics were unyielding. But behind closed doors, a silent, radical architectural revolution was taking place. A device was being engineered to permanently destroy those boundaries, compressing professional-grade stabilization and cinematic imaging into a form factor that slides effortlessly into your pocket. This is the story of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a machine engineered with an almost obsessive attention to detail, built to aggressively challenge the status quo and fundamentally redefine what a portable camera is allowed to achieve. To truly understand the massive engineering leap this tiny wand represents, you have to look closely at the deep shift happening in how we capture the world. We are living in an era dominated by instantaneous storytelling, rapid social content, immersive travel documentaries, and high-octane action vlogging. The demands we place on our visual tools have skyrocketed exponentially. We don't just want a camera that records. We want a tool that acts as an invisible crew, tracking our movements, optimizing our lighting, and stabilizing our chaos on the fly. Yet, at the exact same time, creators are completely tired of being weighed down by gear. They want the freedom to shoot anywhere, on a crowded city street, a remote mountain trail, or a fast-paced red carpet event, without drawing massive attention or spending hours setting up equipment. DJI looked at this collision of needs and decided to engineer an absolute masterpiece of defiance. They didn't just iterate on a successful design. They took the terrifying raw power of a massive image sensor, paired it with next-generation artificial intelligence, and compressed it into a package that feels like an industrial magic trick. The moment you first touch the Osmo Pocket 4, your hand registers a profound evolution in ergonomic design. It feels incredibly light, balanced to absolute perfection, yet structurally indestructible. The chassis is sculpted from a high-grade, structurally dense composite alloy that provides premium rigidity while keeping the device remarkably lightweight. There are no awkward bulges, no unnecessary bulk, and no wasted space. The layout has been masterfully streamlined, allowing your thumb to rest naturally on an ultra-responsive joystick and control matrix. The signature rotatable touchscreen has been completely overhauled, featuring a larger, edge-to-edge display that pulses with vibrant clarity, giving you an immediate, uncompromised view of your frame even under the blinding glare of direct outdoor sunlight. With a simple flick of your finger, the screen rotates instantly, shifting the camera between horizontal cinematic mode and vertical first formats in a fraction of a second, completely removing any friction from your creative workflow. But the real magic, the true psychological